feel pretty comfortable right here. My heart's beating out my chest though. That's slabby. This is my hold. I can just barely get my little bitty fingers up in there. This is my foot ledge. Okay, focus. I don't trust that. I don't trust that. Is that soloable? My arms are so pumped. 60 feet. Oh, anchors are right there. If only I had a rope, I could tie myself in. Copy, copy. Whoop, whoop, easy. Whoop, whoop. Why is no one responding? What's going on? I can't take it. Oh, wait. I'm rock climbing. That's why. That will break. That's good. Forgot. Woo! 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 What, baby? What? And a beautiful view, the new River Gorge Bridge, baby. 80 foot 5A in my opinion, easily flaky here in the new River Gorge National Park. They say it's a 5.7, but I think doing a free solo deserves a little up in the difficulty. And honestly, it doesn't feel like a 5.7. I just soloed, easily flaky. Joey goes climbing, guys.